Hello, my students. Welcome to a review from lesson 20. This is just a review. In the lesson, we talk about places of the house, the bedroom, the restroom, the living room, and we studied about a living room and a family room. What is the difference between a living room and a family room? Recuerden que hablamos de un family room y un living room. Okay, I want to read the meaning of a family room. What is a family room? In homes with more than one, places like a room, family room, a living room, the family room is less formal. Less formal. Not the main one, it's el principal, it's the less formal. Both in function and furnishing, and is located away from the main entrance. Está localizado más lejos de la entrada principal. So it's no es la sala principal. Es más informal. While the living room is usually the more formal. La sala o living room es la más formal. Es donde recibimos a los invitados. Reserved for guests. Reservada para los invitados. Special occasions. And the displays of items such as antiques or artwork. Y es un lugar donde se colocan como antigüedades, obras de arte. Entonces es la sala principal, the living room. Y cuando hay una extra se llama el family room. Es muy informal, es para los miembros de la familia, más informal. Y yo les decía, en algunas tienen la televisión, juegos, etc. So now you know the difference between a living room and a family room. Okay, now let's practice with our home. Okay, in this home we have a garage. It's a car in the garage. We have this is a basement which is located under the first floor. Está abajo del primer piso. Se le llama el basement. Okay. Here we have the laundry room, where is the washer, donde está la lavadora. Here we have the kitchen. This is the kitchen with the stove, the micro, the refrigerator, etc. Then we have the dining room where people eat. They gather here to eat. We also have, let me put it over here, the dining, okay. Here there's a living room over here. It's a living room, which is near to the first, which is in the first floor, el que está en el primer piso. We don't see here the door, no vemos la entrada principal, pero como esta es la sala, entonces por aquí de cerca debe estar the entrance, the main entrance, la entrada principal. They also have a home office, una oficina de casa, which people in this time usually work, donde la gente en estos tiempos of pandemic, they usually work at home. Mucha gente regularmente trabaja en casa. Mucha, no toda. They also have a nursery room. It's a room for the babies. Okay. They have a bathroom. This is a bathroom. Okay, there's a difference between a restroom and a bathroom. Okay, this is a bathroom where they have a bathtub. Tienen una tina de baño. Es un bathroom. And they have over here, they have a bedroom. This is a bed, okay? This is a bedroom, okay? And this part of the house, this is the first floor, el primer piso, second floor, segundo piso, and the attic, y el ático, the attic. In the attic, they have, oh, this is a bedroom, maybe for the teenager, a lo mejor para el adolescente, no? It's a bedroom. Okay, so we have the basement, the first floor, second floor, and the attic. Okay, let's practice. Vamos a practicar. Okay, where is the kitchen? Where is the kitchen? The kitchen, here we have a kitchen. The kitchen is in the second floor. This is the right, this is the left. Is in the first floor, in the right, sorry, in the right of the house. Okay, and it is arriba, above. The garage, está arriba del garage. It's above. Next to, al lado de qué? Next to the dining room. Good, very good. Okay, let's see now. Where is the bathroom? Where is the bathroom? The bathroom is, where is it located? In the basement, the first floor, the second floor, or the attic? Oh, the bathroom is on the second floor. Okay, second floor. And it is next to the bedroom. It must be, it looks like the master room. Parece como la recámara principal, which is the master. So it's next to the master room, or between, or en medio, between the master room, or the bedroom, and the nursery room, o en medio de la recámara principal y el cuarto del bebé. Okay, now where's the the laundry room? Where's the laundry room? Oh, let's look for the laundry room. Here we have the laundry room. Where is it? Okay, the laundry room is on the basement. This is the basement, remember. Basement, first floor, second floor, and attic. Basement. It is at the corner, está en la esquina. At the left corner, está en la esquina izquierda. It is under, está abajo de qué? Under what? Under the home office. Good. And it is next to, what is this? Oh, this is a basement. And at the basement, they have a fireplace. They have a table. It looks like board table, como like a table to play games, to play board games. And they have a they play here. I forgot the name of it again, but don't worry, we'll study about it later. Okay, so this is a home. Try to review, to study this, then remember, memorize the names of the places in a house. Remember that just to use the words under, abajo, next to, a un lado de, between, okay, en el medio, above, arriba, next to the left, to the right. Okay, please study these new words for you and practice them. See you with lesson 21.